If you want to see me go from this to this, keep watching. So I neglected my hair. I did. It's a little dry, but it's okay because the brand My Black is Beautiful was kind enough to sponsor this updated wash day routine video and send me their new golden milk collection, which is a lot. It's 7 products. So we're about to get this wash day started. So first off, I'm just gonna get my hair really soaked. I have really dense hair, just a lot of hair on my head, so just get it really soaked, and that's what's gonna make it easy for me to section my hair and just get it loosened up and detangle a little bit. So I start with parting it down the middle, and then I just go in and section off my hair into 4. I know y'all probably wanted to see that, so I'm gonna just rewind it back and really show y'all. Now the real work begins. So I love silicones in a conditioner because it gives me great slip, but I know some people are torn on it. The product does have dimethicone, unfortunately, but I decided to start with the conditioner first and then let the hydrating shampoo remove the silicone. So even if you're low porosity, try it this way, but I would still follow up with the clarifying shampoo once a month. Whew, that was a mouthful, but this thing is creamy, girl. Creamy, but it does give great slip. I tend to put my hair underneath the running water and then run my hands through it, and then I'll even go in and separate that quadrant of my hair. But I'm not detangling it. I'm just putting the conditioner through my hair because I want to let it marinate and kind of sit in my hair, because by the time I go back to it, it'll be nice and moisturized. You know what I mean? So now I go back and detangle, and I always make sure I put conditioner on my roots because you don't want dry and tangled roots. Trust me, it's a nightmare. Now focus on the ends as per usual and work my way up, and then I'll go in with a wide tooth comb just to make sure I got everything. And obviously, clearly I didn't. I'm struggling. Do you see my face? And then if I really got some stubborn tangles, I'll put my head under the water and then I'll just use the comb to kind of comb through it, and usually I get out all my tangles that way. And look, I stopped fighting with my hair in the shower. I just bought scissors and we're cutting it off, dead weight off. Now onto the shampoo that also smells really bomb. They did their thing with this scent, they really did. So I'm just pouring it in my hand and I really lather it into just like mainly the roots of my scalp and stuff. Just keep lathering it, and then I use this smoothing method to kind of like shake the shampoo all the way down, and I got some really crazy definition already. So then I just do that to all the other sections, and then this is how much hair I lost in the shower after the fact. Now on to the deep treatment mask. Really thick, similar to the other products. I just run my hair under the water because that works best for me to really get the product to move in my hair, if that makes sense, and then just keep running it. I also do the same thing. I make sure my roots are moisturized and my ends are moisturized, and then I twist it up, cut whatever ends are off, and bam. Also very important, don't forget your edges. Never forget your edges. And then here's another cameo that nobody asked for. So after I deep conditioned for about 30 minutes, I was really surprised at how hydrated my hair was and thus defined. So then I went in again with some water, sprayed my hair because I have high porosity hair, so my hair gets dry really fast. And I put in my own leave-in conditioner simply because they have a cream, so I decided to use that cream as the LOC part of the lock method that I usually do. And here are their conditioning creams that I was talking about. They have both type 4 and type 3. Here I did a consistency test, I guess you would call it, and this is the type 3 bottle, but then this is the type 4 bottle. And you guys tell me if you noticed the difference, because I did not. So this is me rubbing it into my hair, and when I tell y'all the hydration, the shine. I just felt like my hair was super moisturized, and it feels like leave-in conditioner. Maybe it's supposed to be a leave-in conditioner, but it was amazing. So I did have a few tangles by the crown of my head, so I decided to use their detangling spray, and then I just sprayed it in that area, and I went ahead and used my fingers to kind of massage it in to loosen up the tangles, I guess. It helped. Yeah, it helped. Nothing too special because my hair was pretty detangled before. Don't judge me, y'all. I just would like in healthy ends, okay? Okay, but back to the real winner here. Do y'all see my hair? Y'all see it, right? Y'all see it, right? Okay, look at the hydration. Even my little baby curls, they're popping. We love to see it. So I don't know what possessed me to do a braid out, but I was just like, hey, let's do a braid out. And here we are. So I decided to put the conditioning cream on the ends and then just twist it like 2-strand twists because I don't want to have to deal with braids at the end of my hair. And again, cut off any dead weight. Jamaican black castor oil on the ends to seal. And you dip. And you just rub the excess over your braids and voila. Bomb. Moisturized hair. Okay, hey y'all, so I'm back. It's been a couple of days. So I just been letting my braid out, or my braids I should say. I've been letting them sit. So what I'm about to do right now is take a little bit of oil on my hands. Right now I'm using avocado oil to separate the braids, just like a little bit. If the twists are like dry, I always take some oil and like put it on the ends just in case you get some oil on you. You don't want to mess up your shirt or whatever. And then I just unravel. If you really want definition or you want to keep the pattern of the whatever twist or braid out you did, try not to fluff too much and try to undo it exactly how you braided it is basically what I'm trying to say. So again, add the oil to the ends of your hair, moisturize it, rub it in, and then this is what you're not gonna do. Do not do this. Do not unravel your twist like this. You will get a knot, especially if your ends aren't healthy. So just take your time, be careful. Okay, so this is what it looks like untwisted and not fluffed out at all. I typically don't like first day hair. I don't know about you guys. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start to separate. Not too much, but enough to give me some volume. And if you have thinner hair, like you don't really have that many hair follicles on your head, it's best to do like your braid outs or twist outs like this in smaller braids because you can get more volume when you unravel them and twist them. Especially at the roots, like picking at the roots and stuff with the pick. So I'm just gonna like separate. That's up with my hands and don't touch my because I don't like to go off or anything. It's like flat. And this is before I even go in with the pick. So this side you can see is really defined. What I will say is that my hair does feel hydrated. It does feel moisturized. And just be very gentle when you're taking these out. Unless you don't care about definition or anything like that, but more so careful about your ends when you're pulling them. If you did oil your ends like before, then they won't slide past each other. They'll probably get caught on one another. Okay, this is what it looks like just using my hands to separate. Pick my hair. Last thing I'll be using is their edge slayer. I usually like to do this before I put makeup on so that the makeup doesn't get into my hair, but it's okay. Honestly, it doesn't have the best hold, but it does give like a sleekness to it. I don't know. I don't think I would reach for this often. It does look better on this side though. Maybe it's just the way I did it on the other side. I don't know. Overall, my favorite products of the whole line are definitely the conditioning creams. I feel like it doesn't matter if you get the type 3 or the type 4 because the consistency was the same to me when I rubbed it on my hand. And I was looking at the ingredients and they're the exact same unless there's like a certain portion of an ingredient more than in one than the other. I don't see the difference, honestly. But I mean, if you are type 3, go with type 3. If you are type 4, go with type 4. But I did really like it. It gave me the same type of consistency and hydration that my usual leave-in conditioners do. I would use it more as a cream, like in the actual LOC part of the LOC. I would use it more as a cream. I also really like this hydrating shampoo too. I just don't have one in my arsenal. I have like a clarifying shampoo, so this was really nice because it didn't feel like it was stripping my hair. It really honestly felt more hydrating, I guess for lack of a better word. It didn't strip my hair at all, so it didn't really feel like a shampoo, but the cleanliness was there. So those two were definitely standout faves for me. The deep conditioner I have to keep trying again because my hair was just so dry. Maybe I have to keep trying it. I don't know. It wasn't a wow factor for me. The conditioner was great. I just like more because it's a very thicker consistency and I have a lot of hair. I feel like that's always going to be my con with like any product that doesn't come in like a 33 ounce. I have a lot of hair, so I need a lot of product. But I did like it overall. Like if you need a conditioner, and it has slip for how creamy it is, it does have slip. I just have to use a lot of it. And I think the best part of this whole entire line is that it smells great. So if you guys like this video, helps me out. And then comment below, what technique do you use for your wash days? Are they similar to mine? Do you have something that you want to share? Did you like anything that I did that you're probably going to implement to yours? Let me know. Yeah, and shout out to My Black is Beautiful for sponsoring this video. Their products were amazing. They smelled amazing. I typically don't even use a whole line of products like this, but this was very good for me. And last thing, I'm trying to stay more consistent with YouTube. I have a lot of videos that I need to edit. I do. So catch y'all in the next one. Hopefully it was just soon. Okay, bye.